In this video, we'll look at how to reset the firmware on the IXU camera system. This may need to be done for troubleshooting purposes, and the firmware can be easily reset with the following method. First of all, hold the top two buttons on the IXU and insert the power cable. This should then bring up a small message saying that it is repairing the current firmware. This can take a few minutes to repair, and once done, the IXU camera system will restart. We've sped up the process in this video. The firmware will either be repaired, or it will default to factory firmware. Note you may need to update your firmware to the latest version once you've done this.